Welcome to this tutorial on viewing live video in the XProtect Smart Client. In XProtect Smart Client, you typically view live video on the Live tab and recorded video on the Playback tab, but you can also view recorded video on the Live tab. When you view live video, the video stream is not necessarily being recorded. This depends on how your system has been set up to record, for example based on a schedule or events. If this has been enabled and video is being recorded, the title bar above the camera's image displays Recording. To maximize video from a particular position in a view, double-click the camera. To return to normal view, double-click the camera again. To display the view in full screen mode, on the XProtect Smart Client toolbar, click the Full Screen button or press F11 on your keyboard. When you change to full screen mode, the toolbars and panes are hidden. To display them, move your mouse to the top of the screen. This gives you access to the full screen button, but you can also return to the default view by pressing Escape or F11 on your keyboard. Different types of cameras give you access to different zoom and maneuvering capabilities. The digital zoom feature is available for all standard cameras and displays zoom buttons that let you zoom in on a particular area of an image. The zoom indicator in the lower right corner shows which part of the image you are zoomed in on. You can use the zoom indicator or the PTZ wheel to navigate to other parts of the image. If you are viewing video from a PTZ camera, you can navigate using the PTZ navigation buttons that appear inside the image. The middle PTZ navigation button lets you quickly move the camera to its default position. Zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons. If your mouse has a scroll wheel, you can use this to zoom in and out. Click the scroll wheel or middle mouse button to return to the default view. Many PTZ cameras can be controlled simply by pointing and clicking inside the images from the camera. These controls can differ depending on the camera. For example, if you see crosshairs surrounded by a square, you can zoom in by dragging to select an area in the image you want to magnify, and you control the zoom level by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard while moving the mouse up or down. In XProtect Smart Client, you can always copy or save single still images from selected cameras. On the camera toolbar, click the Copy to Clipboard icon to copy an image. Copied images can then be pasted as bitmap files into an email or a document. You can only copy a single image from one camera at a time. Alternatively, you can take a snapshot of an image to save it to your computer. If it is enabled, you can use independent playback to view recorded video from the Live tab or to view video independently of the playback time. On the Live tab, select a camera to view independent playback from. On the camera toolbar, click the Toggle Independent Playback button. This displays the independent playback timeline, from where you can browse the recordings. Drag the timeline to the time containing the video that you want to view and press play. To view recorded video for the selected time on all the cameras in your view, on the toolbar click View Recordings from Selected Time on Playback. This displays the Playback tab with all cameras synchronized to the time you have selected. We hope you have found this video tutorial on viewing live video helpful. For more video tutorials, click the Help button in the top right corner.